I have a measuring cup. I need half a cup of those bees. So I take the frame that I'm interested in. I'm going to shake it in my container and gather about half a cup of bees. Not too much. That's about half a cup. And in the alcohol they go. Alright, so after doing my alcohol wash and letting it sit for a couple of minutes and waiting for the Varroa to detach themselves from the bees, I have a grand total of 0 Varroas per 300 bees in that hive, which is hard to believe, and I don't think I have no level of infestation, but it is low enough that I cannot properly detect it through that test. So I won't be needing to treat that hive for the Varroa today.